takes line. But not when somebody's close to you.
You need a new one, Anessa?
I do. Say yes, please. Hey, if you're going to do that, go out further.
Skylar, you've already expressed that.
Don't swing it around. Careful. That's going to get you another one. Hang on a second. If you're going to be slinging, you got to make sure you're far away from everybody. Away from your dress. Okay. She's pulling it out.
Here, Nessa. Oh, you're going to do it.
She's nervous because she was up here by people. All right, two hands. Right up to my
hand. No.
2 hands. Hey, you stay right there if you're going to be slinging it.
Hi.
Just like that.
Okay, Skylar, don't get right up to the camera.
Hold on, 2 hands tight. Out like this.
Right, here, hold it.
That way. There you go. Here? And you can make nice squigglies. That's why or make a circle. Not that close, not that close.
Quit wiggling it.
Not my hand's shaky.
You probably get that looked at.
It's always been shaky.
Ooh.
Okay?
No, I was just saying the flash like blinded out the video.
Don't get too close to everyone. You gotta have your own space, okay?
Easy, Selena. Yeah, Selena's like a...
Wild. She knows how to
Alright, go put it in the bucket, Selena. I'll get you another one.
Yes, make squigglies, honey.
Let's see your moves, Sky.
Make circles.
Let's see your moves.
You're so good, Anessa.
You want a new one, Selena? Okay, last one in this pack.
Somebody did. Oh, okay. Yeah, he took some pictures. That's good. My phone doesn't have flash. I don't know why. Well, I'm getting these on Snapchat and I can upload them on the Facebook later. I got my camera here. Yeah, no, I've been taking some pictures too. Yeah.
Here you go, baby. Whoever watches this video is probably going to be sick because I'm maneuvering the camera around lighting these.
Careful, Lena. Don't be running with that.
Don't be running it across the ground either. Keep it away from your feet.
Hey, take it out. Oh, all done.
Alright, I'll need to open a new package of them.
They have neon ones too.
These are the neon ones.
You do?
Yeah.
They don't even change colors.
That's what Skylar was complaining about.
Selena, not so close. If you're going to be
Well, that's
grabbing it, you have
baloney.
to stay
Yeah.
away from people.
It's supposed to be neon. They don't even change colors.
Christina, can you get me the other pack of them?
Huh? What do you want?
The other pack of these, they're over on the table. I'm trying to record while lighting them. So. What's up? Selena. Vanessa, you want to say something to yourself in the future? No? Okay. Thank you.
That's why I was asking if we're doing anything on Saturdays. Grandma's got daytime kind of stuff packet.
Yeah, I don't know if I have any plans on Saturday. I don't think so. Anessa.
They make slime.
Here you go.
They make slime.
Is it pretty? What are you doing with that, Selena? Quit poking the ground with it. You're going to poke your toe. Alright, go put it in the bucket.
Once they go in the bucket, you leave them alone. No.
No sword fighting them. Get distance.
Get back, Selena. If you're going to do that, go back over by the tree like you were. Go out in the middle. Don't run with it.
Not so far. Not that far, Selena.
Oh, thank you.
Well, that's blurry as hell. Where'd Skylar go? Oh.
I'm over here.
You done?
She's more interested in the glow stick right now.
Nah.
Brownies.
Yeah, I can't eat that. I think I had what I had.
Well, once I'm out of sparklers, I'm probably gonna go get some of that ice cream. I am aware there's cobbler, Skylar. You've screamed it in my ear twice.
There's more sparklers, but I think they've gone. Careful, put the bucket down.
Hey, Selena, if I told you if you want to do that, you go out in the middle where nobody's at.
Yeah, you're a good girl.
And Selena likes to spin
Okay,
circles
put
with
the
her
bucket
sparkle.
here. Now, so put the bucket of water. Good girl. Now, small bowl.
Oh, that's not good. Well, I guess she's not gonna want this one. My phone's dying. So.